Hello, everyone. This is my quiz 4 review, and for this particular review, I'm going to do question 2 because I feel like it was it was a trick question for sure. um, so it says select all options that represent a type of damages or types of damages a plaintiff would seek in a personal injury lawsuit. So first, I searched, and this is on Tennessee and all federal related sources. And I searched what are the elements of damages in a personal injury case. And the first one I stumbled upon, I kind of went through the head notes and what damages are, and it mentions a person who is injured by another's negligence may recover damages from another person for all past, present, and prospective harm. It also goes into non-economic and economic compensation or damages, so on and so forth. It mentions pain and suffering here, permanent impairment, disfigurement, loss of enjoyment of life. And that's when the gears kind of started turning for me. So I turned to Google, which took me to All Law. And it goes in and it sections it off, which is really helpful. Special compensatory damages, general compensatory damages, wrongful death damages, punitive damages, collecting damages, and so on and so forth. So within these, it starts off by mentioning loss of earnings, loss of future earnings, medical bills, household expenses. General compensatory damages are related to pain and suffering, mental anguish, loss of consortium or companionship. Wrongful death has to do with funeral and burial expenses, emotional distress of surviving family, loss of loss of financial contribution, punitive damages, which would probably fall under more so of a criminal act, which would be like aggravated battery, sexual assault, fraudulent behavior, as it kind of mentions here, collecting damages, creditors' rights, monetary compensation along those lines. So circling back to this question, it would actually be all of these answers would be the right answer: physical pain and suffering, loss of consortium or companionship, punitive damages, non-economic damages, and loss of wages are all things that I have previously mentioned and are all potentially damages that a plaintiff would seek in a personal injury lawsuit.